No! No! No!
What happened?
My fucking limo or Uber. Oh, there it is.
Are you okay, sir? Maybe he wants.
Get up in life.
Wait, what?
Let's get some of this. That was fucking funny. They were talking shit behind my back saying, like, how am I gonna fit? I didn't do that out of spite. It was definitely a re-troll. It's like, how is the guy gonna fit in there? So of course I'm gonna roll down the window and say a jackass thing. I was being fat shamed getting into my vehicle. Yeah, she called me fat. Like, I don't think I was gonna fit in the car. Like, I heard her saying it.
Get up in life.
Yeah.
Long.